Hello, congratulations on taking steps towards your MBA journey. My name is Srikar Jandhyala, and I'd like to briefly talk about my MBA application journey. Growing up, I was interested in a career in R&D in high-tech manufacturing. Post my undergrad in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering from NIT Rourkela, I chose to come to the US to pursue a PhD in material science and engineering with a focus on semiconductor materials from UT Dallas. Um, Post PhD, I started working at Intel in the technology development org in Portland, Oregon. After a successful and fulfilling decade as a technical and people leader at Intel, I was interested in pursuing a leadership role in a high growth startup in the clean tech industry. At the same time, I knew that I did not have the necessary business and leadership skills to launch myself into this new trajectory. So I started researching business programs that catered to mid-career professionals, which also had a focus on sustainability-related entrepreneurship. My research led me to Stanford MSX and MIT Sloan Fellows programs. Both of these are one-year programs, which was interesting to me because of the lower cost of opportunity to pursue a break in my career at this stage of my career. When I started out the application process, I was definitely anxious and unsure. Luckily, I decided to work with Abhinav. Abhinav has a very broad experience that he brings into the table, and at the same time has a very deep understanding of the MBA application process. Initially, he was able to work with me to evaluate and confirm my thesis that MBA would be the right path for my career goals. He was also able to help me craft an attractive application that would, hopefully meet the AdCom's expectations. Thanks to Abhinav, I'm excited to share that I got into the Stanford MSX program. Actually, I was recently on Stanford campus meeting some of the incoming students and also sat through a mock classroom. As folks were introducing themselves, I was really blown away by the breadth of experience that the cohort brings in. I was at the same time, how welcoming and eager they were in contributing towards your journey and your career goals. The entire experience really solidified for me that Stanford MSX is the right program for me. So if you're thinking about applying to an MBA program and are looking to increase your chances of success, I would highly encourage working with Abhinav. Um, I hope you found this message useful, and I wish you good luck.